Hello everybody, hey, we're back in the New Kent Gallery. This is my local gallery here in my hometown of Broadstairs. It's only just around the corner. And I've always got work in here, but you may recall that at Christmas and January I had an exhibition here. And now here we are in July, it's the summer, it's lovely and bright. Oh, I'm back, I've got another exhibition. Here we are. And it's lovely to see these all together. We've got the Byzantine frieze with the peacocks, the voicey doves, two turtle doves, another peacock, and I think they look lovely together. I don't get the chance to see them all together like that. Anyway, this gallery, although it's compact, is full of the work of local artists, and it's really nice to be part of something like this. And how I feel about it is best expressed in this accompanying verse. The New Kent Gallery, with artworks in pen and ink, paint, clay and glass, this is the place that you mustn't pass. Because whether your gifts for Uncle Sid or Aunt Valerie, you'll find what you're looking for in the New Kent Gallery.